Welcome to the next rehab I'm doing, named the Hoarder House. So as you can see, the purchase price is $250. ARV is projected at $380,000, $27,000 in rehab. My net profit should be around $103,000, and that's net profit. I'm my own real estate agent. Stay tuned, and you'll see how I did the whole rehab. Throughout the making of this first walkthrough video, you will see clips of the finished product, so you can see how it's going to look in the end, because I am 2 flips behind and I'm just uploading videos and getting to it. So sit back and enjoy, and hope you get a lot out of it. All I ask for a like, share, and subscribe. All right, let's take a look around. So it looks like this the foyer area. I guess the lights are on in here, which is a good thing. I can look around without my flashlight. This is the living room. I think no, sitting room in here. You see, we got lots of trash around here already that we got to get rid of. So this don't look too bad though. This sitting room just need some cleaning up right here. Carpet's got to go. The room looks so well, about the same as the sitting room, with the exception of this light right here. Old school channel light. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, and you got a water leak on the ceiling right here. So, but this is the first floor, so it's the second floor upstairs. This is the kitchen. Let's see, there's still a lot of junk everywhere. I already knew it was a hoarder house, but not a hoarder, but it's a lady who lived here for a long time. So, it's probably definitely all the kitchens going. Like the cabinets are older, you can already tell. And if anything, you're gonna need to gut this kitchen. Has dishes all in every cabinet, I guess. So when you're looking at rehab, you got to look at each cabinet where you know about how big the kitchen is, so you see about how much I'm going to spend. So like this is about 30-inch. This is probably two 30-inch cabinets right here. We got the sink base, which is like it's way more than 36 inches, but normally the sink is 36-inch base cabinet. And then we have a couple of maybe 12-inch cabinets or 15-inch spice cabinets right here. Kitchen island in the middle of the room. Refrigerator. Side of the pantry. I think might put wooden shelves in there. That'll be easy for me to do. Inside of the refrigerator. Don't look bad. Old school person maybe put baking soda in there. Keep the smells out. And I guess somebody cleaned it out already, except for down there. Let's see how old this meat is. Well, it's not that old. It's say May 26th of 2024. I don't know if you can see that. Doesn't matter if you see it. That might be a sign that she might have been going through the whirlpool circle of life since then, maybe. See, dishes everywhere. So I got to get this cleaned out. The rest of the kitchen from this way, which is like it's leading to a sitting room and a living room. This is another bedroom downstairs. This house is 5 bedrooms, so let's make sure we have 5 bedrooms. It's a pretty big room, and it has double doors to access it. Let's see, this room could be like some type of office or recreational room or something. We'll see. Might do another theater room like I like to do. Lots of junk in here. If anybody know if this stuff is of value, let me know, or it's going in the trash. Got these up here also. Oh, family pictures. I shouldn't be posting that, but can crop it all out. Downstairs bathroom. So when you know the age of the house, I know this house was built in 1997, so that means it should have the right plumbing for this house. Well, not right plumbing, the plastic plumbing where it's easy to work with, not cast iron or lead plumbing or anything like that. Now, can you see the plumbing? Oh, yes, you can. It's back there, right there. So that's right there, and then I can see on the top, you can't see it, but I can see copper right there. So it's copper and PVC, definitely a plus. This is the little eat-in kitchen area right here, because the kitchen is right behind the camera, and nothing you can do in this area. There's gonna be laminate floor down here. Of course, change this light also. She had another pantry right here. I don't know if you can see in there right to the camera, but just canned goods. Get rid of all of this stuff. I don't know what's up under here. Does this light work? Because I think it's good. No. Oh shoot. Does this work something? No, it's not. Let me just stop lying to myself. Whoa! Alright, like this is a door, the exterior door leading out to something. Like it's a covered patio. Let's take a look. Well, more storage area out here. Kind of scared to walk out here. I decided to come in my flip-flops because I saw the good deal and then I ran out here. I'm not going out there right now. That leads back out to the outside. Look like it's a screened in porch area. And like we got a little bit of roof damage right here already. From wherever that is. It look like it's light showing through. No, they're just white paint maybe, I hope. Alright. Living room area right here. This is definitely like not the other room was the formal living room. This is a regular living room. Let's see if the lights working in here. If I could reach it. Nope, light must be low. Let's go try to use that light I got up here. Alright, this light was left around here, so I'm gonna use it. So yeah, this room, I mean, same as the other living room or sitting room, gonna be cleaned out. You could do a feature wall or a fireplace over there on the right, so it make it look, bring it up to date or look modern. Got a huge TV right here, old school TV and something. Let me bring you up closer to look at this. Let's bring you down here really quick. So yeah, all this is old furniture right here. And like so you got a seat over the table. I can imagine what's up under it. And we got old DVDs. There go the Matrix. Outside, where you can see outside in the sunroom, not sunroom, the screen-in porch. Probably could do, like I was saying, do a feature wall right there for that fireplace. I forgot I got the camera in my hand. I'm doing all this pointing. And then old school TV. I got to get rid of that because nobody's gonna buy that. Like it just has an RCA jack in there, no HDMI. That was a big screen TV back in the day. And then over here, we had a stereo and things that we need to get rid of. Nobody uses that. I don't know if you could sell it, make some money. But then it got old DVDs and CDs everywhere right here. And then the closet over here. Get rid of all these pictures everywhere. But before we go up there, let's look in this garage. It's a junky garage, I know you can tell. Man, that paper almost scared me. I don't know if y'all saw that. And here go the garage. I'm scared to walk in here right now with my flip-flops on until I get me some shoes and some boots. Yeah. Just gotta gut this. There's nothing to look at in here really. A whole bunch of trash. Another refrigerator. Scared to even look in here. Let something jump out. Oh, it's been on. And more old meat and things. That meat's been in the refrigerator, so hasn't been frozen. This meat's been frozen. Oh my goodness. Oh, little trash and treasure. Maybe we can open that up and see what's in there if we get the house. I don't want to disrespect them right now and open it right now. Oh, then you also want to look at the electric panel box in house. But you know, it's 1997, so it should be good where I don't have to change it out. All right, so we're at the front entrance, going up the steps. Like just the carpet is right here, all upstairs. Might leave all this carpet or might change the carpet on the steps to the laminate that's gonna be downstairs, if anything. I don't know which way would be the best way. I didn't mean to say the best way, but just the way I'm gonna do it. Cause I mean, I'm sure there's no best way, just the way I wanna do it. Light gotta change out, chandelier light. There goes a room in here. Just need to be all trashed out. Nothing else to say about this room. I paused and me talking because just so you can look and I can look later. That first room with all the stuff was bedroom number 2, one downstairs, bedroom 3 right here. 2 windows to the back of the house look like, and closet. I'm not gonna come in here yet. I mean, we'll see. Just need to be all cleaned out, carpet gone, paint in bedrooms. Alright. It's like one of them Georgia rooms, big open room. Is this a bedroom? No, well, no. I can see back there. I can see back there is there's just a ceiling goes slanted down back there. I don't know if you consider this one of the bedrooms, but we've seen 3 bedrooms so far. This all need to be trashed out again. Look at this old school TV right here. And then they left the fan on. So I probably gotta edit that out, the fan. Or you're gonna hear it if I forget. They're like old DVDs all right here. Definitely an older school lady. Got a whole bunch of stuff on that back wall back there. I think that's a encyclopedia. Let's say Childcraft Science Year. A bunch of other books. Couch right here that need to be gone. Oh, there go a closet. So it is can be a bedroom. Just with 2 doors to get inside, which that's not illegal. It's like you got the air conditioner in that window, so maybe the air don't work as good. All right, this is the bathroom upstairs. Like the same as bathroom downstairs. Maybe this where the leak ain't no. It's not over the dining room area where that leak might be at. All right, let's go into this master. Okay. I don't know, well, this might just been cleaned out from the family while all this stuff is in here like this. So, might go through this stuff and see if any value is in here. That's one of the good and bad things about getting a house like this. You don't know what's in here really. That dresser, I highly doubt they make any dresser look like that anymore. Let's look over into the bathroom. All right, here's a closet that I can't even open the door to in here. So just gonna throw all the stuff away. It's a whole bunch of old clothes. And the bathroom right here. So it looks like a lot of stuff is in here also that need to be cleaned out. Shower over there with a wall divider, which I like to take those down. I did it in my last remodel. Then bathtub, probably change that out maybe to a freestanding since it's the master. So just clean out this master. This is the hallway that I didn't show yet, but I don't know why the couch is flipped up that way. Old school TV in the middle of the hallway. Then down this hallway that's painted green for some reason. The air doesn't work in here, and I don't want to go in the backyard to check the HVAC equipment out or go in this attic yet. But it's a good thing I have an attic access. That means that most likely the furnaces are up there. And I'll check this door, the hot water tank is back there. This little outro to this video. So the house, like I said, they want $250,000 for it. It's a probate sale house. So probate means that whoever was in here, they passed away. And then that means, I might have said probate wrong, but it's a estate sale. So probate is when somebody dies and they don't know who the owner is, then they go to courts. And then, but this is where they do have family involved. I talked to the agent already because I really like the house. And it looked like it just need to be, it's one of the things where you say a cosmetic flip. And the cosmetic means replace carpet, paint, mostly everything in there. This house need to be cleaned out versus other homes that be cleaned out already. So what else I want to say? Yeah, the cosmetic other than kitchen need to be redone, the bathrooms need to be redone. The big expense items, that won't be as cosmetic, but hopefully I don't have to change any plumbing or things around. Hopefully the hot water tank works. We'll see about the HVAC because I turned it on and it was not blowing cold air. So I might have to get that checked out. Might just need Freon, this thing like, which that'll cost me a little bit, but hopefully I don't have to replace it. And so if I seen the RLV is around 380 in the house off my real estate app, my Realtor app, that's what it's called, what I use. But you can look on Zillow for sold homes in the area and look for homes sold in the last 6 months. But 380 minus 250, I think is 130,000. I think I shouldn't be doing math like that. I think it's 130,000 ARV in this house. Sorry if you hear the cars coming through and things like that, because I just decided to put my outro video out here. So let's get in contact with the real estate agent and see where they are at with the family. If they're ready to do a quick sale, what's going on, see if I get any information from them. And this house, with that much equity in it, I would offer them a full price offer on it. So the full price offer, since I'm a real estate agent already, I don't have to do my commission. So don't have to worry about paying 3% to the real estate agent. And then if it's a cosmetic flip, I would guess this would be about $20,000 to $30,000 flip. So 150 plus 20 to 30,000 is 250 plus 20 or 30,000. That'd be 280 maybe, like for the whole flip. The garage door's gotta be redone, put in. But that was, I don't know why I said that. But yeah, so that's a lot of equity into it. That's over 100 grand of equity. So I'm gonna give it my business partner, my brother and his wife, and anybody else that's gonna be involved in this project. So let's get to it. Right offer, I'll be back to see if I get it. Do you hear? What's this? Paper that's been laminated. 1996. So this is what was happening on that day. Right, let's see what's in this chest. Feels empty, so I have low hopes. Nothing.